Econ Grade 2, Part 1 Listening Practice. This video contains 40 newly written original questions. Listen carefully, choose the best answer, and check the answer after a short pause. Question number 1. Could you tell me how to join the architecture tour? You should wait near the east entrance. What is the best answer? 1. The tour starts near the east entrance. 2. Ignore the instructions. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 1. Question number 2. I was planning to print a poster. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you reduce the file size before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Leave the building at once. 2. Call a family member first. 3. Speak to a different office. 4. The file is too large to print now. The answer is number 4. Question number 3. I tried to complete an insurance form, but I ran into a problem. It would be best to write the policy number clearly. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Print every document twice. 3. The number must be easy to read. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 3. Question number 4. Can you help me rent a practice room today? You should use the online calendar. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. Reservations are made online. The answer is number 4. Question number 5. I was planning to schedule a delivery. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you measure the doorway first before you continue. What does the speaker mean? 1. Ask for a full refund. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Arrive after the event ends. 4. The furniture may not fit through the doorway. The answer is number 4. Question number 6. Can you help me join an evening course today? Make sure you take a placement test first before you continue. What is the best answer? 1. A placement test is required. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 1. Question number 7. I was planning to reach the research center. Is there anything I should do first? It would be best to transfer at Central Square. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Speak to a different office. 2. A transfer is required. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Print every document twice. The answer is number 2. Question number 8. Can you help me label the samples today? Please use the blue stickers. That will solve the problem. What does the speaker mean? 1. Leave the building at once. 2. Return the item next year. 3. The blue sticker should be used. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 3. Question number 9. I tried to join a cleanup event, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to arrive before the safety briefing. What is the best answer? 1. The briefing happens before the work starts. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 1. Question number 10. I was planning to appeal a parking ticket. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you submit photos of the sign before you continue. What should the listener do next? 1. Cancel the plan immediately. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Photos are needed for the appeal. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 3. Question number 11. Could you tell me how to replace a student card? Make sure you upload a new photo before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Wait until next month. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. A new photo must be uploaded. 4. Take a taxi to another city. The answer is number 3. Question number 12. Can you help me solve a billing mistake today? The first thing to do is to wait for a supervisor. What is true about the situation? 1. Return the item next year. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. A supervisor will handle the problem. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 3. Question number 13. Could you tell me how to book a picnic shelter? It would be best to choose a date without a festival. What does the speaker mean? 1. Call a family member first. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. The festival date is not available. The answer is number 4. Question number 14. Could you tell me how to renew a membership card? It would be best to bring proof of address. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. The card cannot be renewed without proof. 3. Cancel the plan immediately. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 15. Could you tell me how to choose plants for shade? Make sure you avoid the sun-loving flowers before you continue. What should the listener do next? 1. Use the old form instead. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. Some plants need too much sunlight. The answer is number 4. Question number 16. Could you tell me how to understand medicine instructions? Make sure you take the tablets after meals before you continue. What is true about the situation? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. The medicine should be taken after eating. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 17. Could you tell me how to ask about a missed test? Please bring a note from the counselor that will solve the problem. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Wait until next month. 2. A note is required. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. Ignore the instructions. The answer is number 2. Question number 18. I need to open a savings account, but I don't know the next step. Please show 2 forms of identification that will solve the problem. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Ask for a full refund. 2. Send the request by mail only. 3. 2 IDs are needed. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 3. Question number 19. Can you help me register a display today? It would be best to include a short abstract. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. An abstract is needed. 2. Cancel the plan immediately. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Ignore the instructions. The answer is number 1. Question number 20. I tried to collect a name badge, but I ran into a problem. Please check the spelling before printing. That will solve the problem. What will probably happen next? 1. The badge should be checked before it is printed. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. Call a family member first. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 1. Question number 21. I was planning to download the presentation. Is there anything I should do first? It would be best to scan the code on the last slide. What should the listener do next? 1. Use the old form instead. 2. Buy a more expensive ticket. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. The code gives access to the materials. The answer is number 4. Question number 22. Can you help me request a quieter room today? The first thing to do is to move after housekeeping finishes. What is true about the situation? 1. Wait until next month. 2. The room change will happen later. 3. Call a family member first. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 23. Can you help me fix a laptop keyboard today? It would be best to leave the computer overnight. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Print every document twice. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Leave the building at once. 4. The repair will take more than 1 day. The answer is number 4. Question number 24. I tried to exchange performance tickets, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to pay the price difference. What will probably happen next? 1. The exchange costs extra. 2. Call a family member first. 3. Speak to a different office. 4. Arrive after the event ends. The answer is number 1. Question number 25. I need to report a water leak, but I don't know the next step. The first thing to do is to let maintenance enter in the afternoon. What is the best answer? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. Maintenance will visit later. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 26. I need to reserve a private table, but I don't know the next step. You should confirm the number of guests. What is the best answer? 1. Send the request by mail only. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. The reservation depends on the final number. The answer is number 4. Question number 27. Can you help me change an appointment today? Please call before noon. That will solve the problem. What is being recommended? 1. The appointment can be changed by calling early. 2. Take a taxi to another city. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 1. Question number 28. I need to revise an article, but I don't know the next step. Please shorten the final paragraph. That will solve the problem. What does the speaker mean? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. Ignore the instructions. 3. Call a family member first. 4. The article needs to be made shorter. The answer is number 4. Question number 29. I tried to return a damaged product, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to show the receipt. What will probably happen next? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Ask for a full refund. 3. Leave the building at once. 4. The receipt is needed for the return. The answer is number 4. Question number 30. Could you tell me how to ask about part-time work? The first thing to do is to come back when the manager is in. What does the speaker mean? 1. Arrive after the event ends. 2. Take a taxi to another city. 3. Pay for a yearly contract. 4. The manager is not available now. The answer is number 4. Question number 31. I need to ask about a delayed flight, but I don't know the next step. You should watch the gate screen. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Wait until next month. 2. Call a family member first. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. The gate may change. The answer is number 4. Question number 32. Can you help me choose a guided tour today? You should avoid the rainy season. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Speak to a different office. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. The tour is better in a different season. 4. Leave the building at once. The answer is number 3. Question number 33. Could you tell me how to prepare ingredients? You should wash the vegetables before cutting. What is being recommended? 1. The vegetables should be washed first. 2. Return the item next year. 3. Call a family member first. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 1. Question number 34. I need to reserve painting supplies, but I don't know the next step. The first thing to do is to pick them up before Saturday. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. The supplies must be collected before Saturday. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 35. Could you tell me how to order a textbook? The first thing to do is to pay a deposit. What is being recommended? 1. Call a family member first. 2. A deposit is needed to order the book. 3. Leave the building at once. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 2. Question number 36. Can you help me find the media lab today? Make sure you use the elevator near the bookstore before you continue. What is being recommended? 1. Send the request by mail only. 2. Buy a more expensive ticket. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. The elevator near the bookstore is the easiest route. The answer is number 4. Question number 37. I was planning to submit a budget form. Is there anything I should do first? Please attach the latest receipt. That will solve the problem. What is being recommended? 1. The form is incomplete without the receipt. 2. Return the item next year. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. Print every document twice. The answer is number 1. Question number 38. I need to inspect a delivery, but I don't know the next step. You should report the damaged boxes. What does the speaker mean? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Some boxes may be damaged. 3. Print every document twice. 4. Ask for a full refund. The answer is number 2. Question number 39. I tried to record an announcement, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you speak closer to the microphone before you continue. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Use the old form instead. 2. Wait until next month. 3. The voice needs to be clearer. 4. Cancel the plan immediately. The answer is number 3. Question number 40. Could you tell me how to apply for a permit? Make sure you return with a completed form before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. The form is not complete yet. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 1.